We start today's lesson with page number 17, that is the exercise of Unit 2, the Youth of Iqbal. B part, choose the correct answer for the following. His sublime poetry and philosophy inspired millions of Muslims. The opposite of the word sublime in this sentence means A. Beautiful, B. Inspiring, C. Uplifting, D. Irrational. The correct answer is D. Irrational. Whether he is in the battlefield or in the company of friends, he is pure in head and heart. In this sentence, he refers to A. the youth, B. Iqbal, C. Shaheen, D. the author. The correct answer is A. the youth. Number 3, know thyself and success shall be thine means A. you desire to know who others are and what they want is the real success in life. B. your desire to know your nation and what they want is the real success in life. C. your desire to know who you are and what you want is the real success in life. D part, your desire to know the worldly needs and to achieve them is the real success in life. The correct option is C. Your desire to know who you are and what you want is the real success in life. Number 4, the youth of Iqbal is not a thinking Hamlet but a man of action. In this sentence, Hamlet symbolizes a person who A. is taking prompt action, B. is talking too much, C. is taking quick decisions, D. is taking too much time in making decisions. The correct option is D. is taking too much time in making decisions. Now the next exercise, use the following words and sentences of your own. The words are nation, battlefield, determination, motive, confine, direction, symbol, goals. The first sentence that we made is we are a brave nation. He died in the battlefield. He does his work with determination. He is a symbol of honesty. His motive was mean. She was confined to her room. He went in the wrong direction. He will meet his goals. Now from the top, prefix and suffix. A prefix is a set of letters that is added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. For example, happy, unhappy, opposite, agree, disagree, understand, misunderstand, correct, incorrect. A suffix is a set of letters that is added to the end of a word to change its meaning. Now the suffixes are able, ible, full, less, dom, meant, ness, meaning able to, full of, not having, without, place or state of being, a person who does, action or process, state of being. Example of the word terrible, beautiful, toothless, freedom, worker, payment, happiness. Now page 19. Complete the sentences by writing the correct prefix in the blank space. You can use a dictionary to help you. We don't need a dictionary. I've done it already. I just can't believe it. The story is unbelievable. No, that answer is incorrect. It is wrong. Let's look at this information again. We should review it before the test. I saw Alina just a moment ago, but now I can't find her. She just disappeared. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you correctly. I misunderstood you. B part, complete the words by using the suffixes, the words that come after. Suffixes from the list. The suffixes are ness, able, meant, full, less. Fazila can't stay still. She always wants to move. She is restless. Rashida is very intelligent. She is adorable. Maliha can't remember anything. She is very forgetful. I appreciate your great attitude. I am really thankful. The best thing about her is her kindness. Now discuss Iqbal's youth with reference to today's Pakistani youth. Write a paragraph of at least 100 words. These I'll send you in written form. I'll read them to you too. Look at the mind map below and describe youth from Iqbal's perspective. Translate the following passage from English to Urdu. This I'll give you right now. Now the paragraph is, these are the views of Iqbal about the youth of the nation. Iqbal wants to set higher benchmark for the new generation. He wants to inculcate in them the spirit of innovation and discovery. Because youth are to lead and take the nation to the height of self-determination and independence. The youth of Iqbal is not a thinking Hamlet but a man of action, mild in speech but enthusiastic in action. Whether he is in the battlefield or in the company of friends, he is pure in head and heart. I'll give you the translation of this paragraph right now. कौम के जवानों के बारे में अल्लामा इकबाल की ये तसव्वुरात और ख़यालात हैं। इकबाल चाहता है कि उनके दिलों में जिद्दत पसंदी और दरियाफ्त का जज्बा पैदा हो, क्योंकि नौजवानों ने लोगों की रहनुमाई करनी है कि वो कौम को खुद किफ़ालत और आज़ादी की तरफ उन्होंने ले जाना है। इकबाल नौजवानों को महज सोचने वाला ही नहीं कहता, बल्कि अमल करने वाला इंसान बनाना चाहता है, जो कौल में नर्म और अमल में जज्बे से भरपूर हो। ख्वाह वो दोस्तों की महफिल में हो या मैदान जंग में हो, उसका दिल और दिमाग पाकीज़ा होता है। नेक्स्ट इज़ रिसाइट अ पोएम ऑफ अल्लामा इकबाल इन फ्रंट ऑफ द क्लास। शेयर इन ग्रुप्स अल्लामा इकबाल एज द ड्रीमर ऑफ पाकिस्तान। Page number 21 now. Choose the appropriate options to complete the sentences. We all told the boss that we wanted to have our salaries paid in advance, but he just ignored us. When the man asked me how I got his address, I told him that I was given it by a relative of his. Although no one in the room seemed to follow anything said by the speaker, he never intended to simplify his language. I hope you will enjoy yourself at the Union Party this weekend, because I won't be able to be there myself. We decided to do all the cooking by ourselves instead of hiring a catering company for the party. Next part, fill in the blanks with who, whom, that, which, when, where, whose, why. There may be more than one correct answer. The shop that I go to is closed. Your shop, which will probably be shut down next year, is really old. I've met most of the people who are eager to take part in the competition. Do you know the reason why your offer was rejected? Do you remember the town where you were born in? Next is part C, page 22. Put the following indefinite pronouns into the correct blanks. Anywhere, anyone, something, everyone, nothing, someone. Can't you hear that someone is knocking at the door? I was wondering if you would like something to drink. The family members have been badly injured in the accident. Is there anyone to help them? Seema has just checked the internet, however, she couldn't find the article anywhere. Unfortunately, this plant is already dead and there is nothing we can do about it. Underline the pronoun in each sentence below. Circle the antecedent the pronoun refers to. Saima walked to the park. She enjoyed jumping on the trampoline. Shama loves to walk on the beach. She watches the sunset often. Daud enjoys playing basketball. He knows that it is his favorite sport. Ebrard, Jamal and Manan enjoy playing cricket. They love teamwork. The shopper couldn't find his car in the parking lot.